Wolmer's Boys is represented by Cameron Campbell, Jordan Reed, Tyler Davis, and TVJ Williams. DeCarteret College is represented by Kayla Dunkley, Sade Frith, Dominique Reed, and Tatiana Horton. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, welcome to round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered this challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and DeCarteret College won. They decided to go first, and so we begin with DeCarteret College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock. DeCarteret, we begin with physics. If a train accelerates uniformly from rest at 0.6 meters per second squared and reach a final velocity of 36 meters per second, what is the time of acceleration?
60 seconds. 60 seconds.
Yes. Wolmer's Boys, physics. A car accelerates uniformly from rest for 25 seconds with an acceleration of 5 meters per second squared. What is its final velocity?
Yeah. 125 meters per second squared. Velocity, 125 meters per second. 125 meters per second.
Correct. International affairs for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Romania.
No, that's Armenia. International affairs for Wolmer's. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Georgia. Georgia.
Correct. Spanish for DeCarteret. What is the English equivalent for the phrase mis disculpas?
Mis disculpas. My faults. My faults.
Incorrect. My apologies. I'm really sorry. Spanish for Wolmer's Boys. What is the English equivalent for the phrase hasta pronto?
See you soon. See you soon.
Correct. Information technology for DeCarteret. What is the 4-bit ones complement of 0101?
11.
No, 1010. Information technology for Wolmer's Boys. What is the 4-bit ones complement of 0110?
So 1001. 1001.
Correct. Music for DeCarteret. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Took a chance, made of a plan.
Justin Timberlake.
Correct. Music for Wolmer's Boys. Listen to the clip, identify the singer.
Tried to stand, but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark?
Fantasia. Fantasia.
Correct. Literature for DeCarteret. Which Caribbean author wrote the novel Come Back, Old Iron Blue?
Claude McKay. Claude McKay.
Incorrect. Elkanah Rule. And literature for Wolmer's Boys. Which Caribbean author wrote the play Hot Spot, a play in 2 acts?
Samuel Selvon.
Incorrect. Basil Dawkins. Theatre for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Angie Harmon. Angie Harmon.
Incorrect. Hilary Swank. And theatre and cinema for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Zoe Perry.
Incorrect. Julianne Moore. Jamaican heritage for DeCarteret. Complete the Jamaican proverb. You must creep before?
You walk.
Correct. Wolmer's Boys. Complete the Jamaican proverb. You can't use fire.
Old water.
No, fit out fire. Sports for DeCarteret. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Joe Fraser. Joe Fraser.
Incorrect. Roy Jones Jr. And sports for Wolmer's boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
No, Vitaly Klitschko. Good. Vitaly Klitschko. Vitaly Klitschko.
Correct. Chemistry for DeCarteret. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Wolmer's boys on 6, DeCarteret College on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.